Hey everybody, once again, John Haynes from the Autosound corporate offices. And when I say we get brand new stuff, I mean brand new stuff. I have sitting next to me on the desk Kenwood's DNX575S, a 2019 model delivered just a few days ago. So this is an embedded GPS unit that also handles Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a couple of other tricks. So we'll get this thing unboxed so we can take a look at what they shipped us. Okay everybody, we got this thing unloaded. Let's take a look what's in the box. And we'll clear the desk of the small parts first, and we'll talk about the unit itself. So first and foremost, owner's manual, warranty. Do make sure you guys take the time to read this. It tells you how to operate the unit. They have multiple languages in here, so this is like a freaking library of owner's manuals. How much paper's involved there. And of course they have the small parts, the mounting screws for ISO mounting, as well as the removal keys. Kenwood also, by the way, includes a sleeve. They're one of the few manufacturers that do this. Most units are mounted with what's called an ISO mount, where this is actually screwed directly to the side of the mounting kit or to factory brackets. But in some cases you just can't do that, and so Kenwood will provide the old-fashioned sleeve where you insert this, bend the tabs up, and you can slide the unit in. We don't get that on all manufacturers, but you get it there. Trim ring to finish off your installation so you don't see anything. And then you've got your cables and connectors. Power harness. This is a GPS antenna because this has got embedded GPS and it needs that. And then you also have extension for USB. So you can either run the USB extension into a console or into the glove box of the car. But if you want to, Alneds does offer accessory USB plates, which basically makes a very OEM or factory look to the USB plug into your car. And then finally, a Bluetooth microphone, because this has got both Android Auto and CarPlay, and both of those require voice commands, as well as when you're using Bluetooth hands-free microphone. So let's talk about the unit itself. Very simple, good-looking unit. Screen size is a good size screen, and one of the things that's kind of interesting this year with Kenwood products, 6.2 was kind of the normal entry-level screen size for AVN units, and then they would jump up to like a 7-inch screen. This Kenwood is a 6.8, and the reason it's that size is because that's the approved screen ratio to do Android Auto. Apple CarPlay can play on a 6.2 or a 7, but Android Auto can't work on a 6.2. It's not approved. So these are all now 6.8, which is a pretty good size screen for an entry-level piece. And from that point on, it goes up to Kenwood 7-inch screen on other models. So this is a VGA touchscreen piece, and as I said, embedded GPS navigation. So for North America, it has mapping, lane exit, diagrams, 3-dimensional. It's really robust and easy to use, so you have that built into this unit. In addition, it does Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth music streaming. When you're doing hands-free, you can pair up to 2 phones, and they can switch back and forth as calls come in. HD radio is built in, as well as Sirius XM capable. So if you remember right now, Sirius XM is offering a free tuner promotion. So you purchase a tuner in store for $69.99, and then they'll reimburse you $70 after you activate the unit, and basically that makes the tuner free. And great product. You can listen to your favorite radio stations coast to coast without interruption, as well as all kinds of special programming. So that handles the basic stuff. I mean, you've got EQ functions and all that kind of stuff. But also dash cam. Kenwood introduced a dash cam last year that will plug directly into this unit, and it has a designated input for that, and also has an input for your backup camera. So you've got backup camera input as well as an input for your dash cam. And that basically means that whatever the dash cam sees when you're rolling down the road, it stores it on the unit here, and you will be able to play back and see what your dash cam has recorded anytime that you want to. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, in addition to all the built-in Kenwood features, this can also do, depending on the phone that you own, either CarPlay by Apple product or Android Auto. So if you have an iPhone, you're able to use the full Apple CarPlay mode, which is basically going to handle your hands-free talking. It's going to handle your text messages. It gives you voice to text and text to speech, and also will handle your music playback as well as your navigation through Apple Maps. So you have two choices for navigation, either the embedded product that's in the radio, or you can use Apple Maps. If you're an Android user, you can use the Android Auto function, which is their version of Apple CarPlay and does the same basic functions. It uses Google Maps instead of Apple Maps, and everything else is basically similar, text, music playback, etc. Now Kenwood also adds one other feature to this that's kind of cool. It's a Wi-Fi connection, and through your phone, and that will enable you to run Waze on this unit as well as to grab YouTube videos. So if you're taking a break under the tree and you want to watch a video, it'll come right in and play right through your head unit, as well as being able to use Waze, a very popular mapping software, right through the head unit instead of just having it mirrored. So there's a lot of units on the market right now that will let you run Waze on your phone, and you can see the display, but you still have to use your phone to run everything. This will actually let you operate Waze right through the head unit. So it's pretty cool stuff. So once again, embedded navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, Sirius XM capable, HD radio, dual camera input, operates through their Wi-Fi system, Waze, YouTube, and other applications like Spotify and Pandora. So really, really robust unit. And let me grab the price on it real fast. Sorry. When you get to be my age, you forget. Here we go. $849. So not really very expensive considering all the things that it does. A really nice unit from Kenwood, and brand new. I mean, so new. I think we're the only retailer that has it right now, as of today, July 3rd. Who knows the next couple of days who's going to have it up and running, but right now we have it. So available through all Alned's Autosound locations, and you will be able to find information on our website, which is al-eds.com. And as always, we really appreciate you watching these little videos. Thanks very much.